Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, we have completed our two chapters, means of transport and means of communication. Now we will move to third chapter, people in our lives. Third chapter is people in our lives. Let's start with good thought. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Now, our lesson number 3, people in our lives. First, we will have words to remember. First word is law, that means rules made by government. Our first word is law, rules made by government. Then traffic, vehicles on the road. Vehicles on the road. Then comes our third word, dispensary. Dispensary. A room where sick people are treated. A room where sick people are treated. Veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor. A person who treats animals. Veterinary doctor, a person who treats animals. Students, in this lesson, our learning objectives are people who help us, like teachers, doctors, police, postal workers, etc. Think about all the things you did yesterday from morning to evening. Make a list of the people who help during the day. There are some people who play important role in our lives, who play important role in our lives. Without the help of these people, without the help of these people, life would be really tough. Life would be really difficult. हमारी life difficult हो जाएगी. As you can see on the screen, these are some community helpers. These are some community helpers: teacher, doctor, police officer, coach, grocer, firefighter, city worker, dentist, mail carrier, plumber, painter, librarian. All these are our helpers. As you know, life without them is very difficult. So, in this chapter, we will learn about community helpers. Teacher, after our parents, it is our teachers who are very important to us. आप सीनियर केजी जूनियर केजी से टीचर्स के साथ पढ़ते आ रहे हो. दे टीचर्स हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट, टू पेंट, sing, dance. So there are different teachers for different subjects. They teach you to sing, write, paint, sing and dance. They also teach you good habits. Yes, they also teach you good habits, manners and values. बहुत कुछ हमें टीचर्स सिखाती है. So teachers take us, teachers, they also teach us good habits, manners and values. Teachers take us on trips, picnics and nature walk, where we learn with through fun. No wonder we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day every year to show our love and respect for teachers. So in this way, teachers play very important role in our life. The doctor, we go to doctor when we are ill. We go to doctor when we are ill, when we have fever or any other illness. Our doctor prescribes you. I told you the meaning of prescribes. When on a paper doctor writes medicines, that is prescribes. Doctor tells us what to eat, how long to take rest. We also go to a doctor for vaccination against some diseases like polio, typhoid and cholera. Yes, we also go to doctor for vaccination against some diseases like polio, typhoid, and cholera. When we are ill, when we are ill, our doctor advises us to go to hospital. The doctors and nurses working there look after us. There, who look after us? Yes, doctors. They are working there and they look after us. They are there on their duty whole 24 hours sometimes. Every city or has one or more hospitals. Many villages have dispensaries or clinics to treat the sick. But students, there are in India there are many villages where there is no dispensary and clinic. So government has provided this facility. The government is sending mobile dispensaries from village to village so that sick people can be treated and they can get best treatment ever. So a mobile dispensary is a van. A mobile dispensary is a van with a doctor, nurse, and some medicines. The van goes from village to village. The van goes from village to village treating the sick people. Okay, now about animal doctor. Now about animal doctor. An animal doctor is called veterinary doctor. An animal doctor is called a veterinary doctor or a vet in short. Okay, now what you learned about helpers, teachers, and doctors. In our next video, we will learn about policemen and postal worker. Students, read the chapter and do exercise. If you know, you can do it by yourself. Very easy objective types of question answers. Every time objective types of question answers you have to do in your canopy book. Okay, everyone, read the chapter. Thank you.